Hey creators, I'm Rob and welcome back to vidIQ. In this video, I want to quickly show you how our browser extension tools can help you research a YouTube channel, which may lead to better video ideas for your channel. So let's take a look. Here in the quick channel stats bar, it will show you information about recent performance of the channel, estimated monthly earnings, and that's always a big estimate because of how CPMs can fluctuate massively, the average video length, how many times a channel uploads per week, and also we can look at the entire channel stats here using this button. It gives you a bigger breakdown. The same information at the top, plus a little bit more, but views gained, subscribers gained, videos published, all over different time periods that you can change through the little buttons here and to daily and monthly. And those all important, not really, channel tags at the bottom. And just to confirm that this is publicly available data, I'm now looking at Mr. Beast's channel, which is accessed through the same button on his channel page, and it gives you all of the same stats and numbers, somewhat more impressive than ours. We can add Mr. Beast as a competitor if we want to, like we did before, and yeah, this is incredible. 100 billion views and, oh my goodness, $5 to $15 million in revenue just from adverts alone. Next to the channel stats button are a couple more vidIQ tools. The first one, view trending videos. Think of real-time stats on your own channel. This is effectively it for any channel. So no matter how old the video is, it's all about views per hour right now. What's hot on the channel? As a quick example, these are the most popular videos on the channel right now, and the third one in the list, how to create a YouTube channel step by step, is getting 214 views per hour today, but it was published 2 years ago. So it means that it has longevity. And if you're wanting to do research on your topics through other channels, this is going to be a great insight into what other channels are doing to make successful content over a long period of time. And the second option here is CSV export. What this is going to do is download all of the publicly available data from all the videos on a channel and then display it in a spreadsheet for you to do real deep research. And that was just the YouTube channel page research tools. The download link is in the video description if you want to start using these features now. And if you want to see everything our browser extension has to offer you on home pages, video watch pages, search pages, the YouTube studio and more, watch the complete guide right here.